Hello everyone, my name is Elsa. Today I want to read a book, Blizzards, and talk about blizzards and answer the questions. Blizzards. Snow is pretty. It is fun to play in snow, but too much snow can cause by blizzards. Cold and strong wind makes a blizzard. A lot of snow falls or blow. Sometimes you can't see in front of you. Blizzards can last for hours. They can shut off your power. Make sure you have a flashlight, a radio with a battery. In a blizzard, go home, stay inside, and stay warm. If you can't get inside, build a snow cave. Never eat snow in a blizzard. It will make you even colder. Now, let's answer story question. Oopsie, who doing like that? Okay, now let's choose our colors. Ooh. Okay. 1. A blizzard is caused by A. Wind and rain, B. Cold and waves, C. Cold and wind, D. Waves. Wind and waves. Now what do you choose? I will choose cold and wind. And in a blizzard, you should wear pants and coat and a hat, pants and a t-shirt and a warm hat, a bathing shirt. I choose pants, a coat, and a hat. Green. In a blizzard, make sure you have a flashlight. B. Snowbird. C. Shield. D. Snowball. Now I will choose flashlight. Blue. If you eat snow in a blizzard, you will get A. Warmer, B. Hungry, C. Colder, D. Sleepy. I will choose colder. No, what happened to me? Pink. Okay, we done. Now let's talk about snow is pretty in a blizzard in a winter. Right, everybody? I think who is a kid in another places will like playing snow. In Vietnamese too, but in Vietnamese everywhere don't have snow, but one place it having it. But it will be dangerous. A lot of snow can make a blizzard, in the story telling you. And you noted it. You can make a snow cave. The snow cave is an igloo. Some people will make it by ice. Some people will make it by snow. And they will cover by rocks. I think some people will make by rocks and they make a snow everywhere. And they get a rock out and the cave is done. If you in a blizzard, please you will get a flashlight, a radio, and a battery. Do you know why we need all of them? Because when the blizzard we use a flashlight to make a way to go. And we need a battery. If we don't have a battery, if the flashlight no battery, you can be dived inside there or can be some happen it. If you like to play in snow, I think you need to make a igloo first, because you know why? If we in the snow playing, if the blizzard come, we just run inside first, and then we can do everything inside there. And if you don't make an igloo first, when the blizzard come, you need to make an igloo fast. If you cannot go inside, but you know everything you by a blizzard when you watch in TV, you can stay inside house and play inside. But a lot of kids want to go outside. If they wanted it, you can make an igloo first for the blizzards after it calm. And if you happen it, if you inside the blizzard can shut down your powers and they can make you dive too, or some happen is not good. I think you will fly away or dive in there. If you fly away, nobody can fight you. And you need to be careful in the blizzard. If in the blizzard you just only play and you see a blizzard, you keep going go to play. It's very dangerous. And oh, I think it is done. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye for now. I give you a wonderful day. Take care. Bye for now.